Hi, and welcome to a demo of Horizon. Horizon is an API that allows you to identify, evaluate, and configure the right LLM and prompt for your specific use case. In this demo, let's assume I'm building a personalized email marketing application, and let's also assume I've completed the first two steps, which are just to create an account, as well as to install the library and generate an API key. What's left is just for me to create a project to organize my work, generate a task to actually accomplish my use case, and then deploy it. So let's flip over to the command line to see how this works. I'll start by creating a project, and I'll name it Email Marketing. You can see that a project with ID 66 has been created. I'll then generate a task to actually accomplish my use case, and I'll walk through a few prompts to configure it. So I'll pass in the ID of the project, I'll name my task Personalized Emails, and I'll write a plain English objective statement of what I'm trying to accomplish. In this case, that's generate the first 1 to 3 lines of a marketing email to a prospect. Importantly, I'll pass in an evaluation dataset that specifies what good looks like for my task. Here's an example of what an evaluation dataset might look like. You can see that it has about 15 rows of data to start, and the leftmost columns define the input variables or the parameters that will be accepted by my task, while the rightmost column specifies the ground truth or the gold standard of what a good looks like given this particular set of input values. So let me pass this in. It'll ask if I want to constrain the output to be according to a JSON schema that I define. I'll skip this for now. Next, I'll select the models that I want to consider for my task. In this demo, I'll pick Turbo, as well as Claude Instant. And lastly, I'll just confirm the details of my request. And once I'm ready, I'll proceed. And that's it. The task generation job has been initiated, and I'll be emailed once it's completed. So let's fast forward and see what happens when it's actually done. So what happens is I'll be emailed a detailed description of the task that has been configured for me. So I can see this is task ID 38, and hundreds of different prompt model candidates were considered, as well as inferences were done to arrive at this. The result was a few-shot-based prompt with this particular prefix and this particular example selector. I can see more details, including the inference statistics, such as the overall quality score that was that resulted, as well as the latency that was experienced. The benefit of this is it saves me time and improves my performance because Horizon would have evaluated the latest techniques at a scale that I couldn't have done manually. So now let's deploy it. First, I'll show you how to do that on the command line, and then more programmatically using the Python package. So to do that on the command line, I'll just call Horizon AI task deploy, specify the product task ID, and then pass in the input values. You can see these are input values for somebody named John Doe, and I've passed in a value for each of the input variables that you saw in the evaluation data set. It'll ask if I want to log the deployment. I'll skip that for the purposes of this demo. And now you can see it's generating an output that is tuned to my particular evaluation data. So you can see that completion right over here. Let me show you how to do this more programmatically. So if you were to use our Python package, you can see you would just import it and then configure it, and then essentially just call the horizonai.task.deploy task function and take advantage of the result as you wish. So that's it. That's the demo. I hope it was informative. I hope Horizon is a tool that helps you as you're building your own generative AI applications. And please let us know if you have any feedback along the way. Thank you.